Today we're going to go over the top 5 reasons why you need to start eating chia seeds. Make sure you watch until the very end to discover why these tiny seeds can help lower your cholesterol. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss when we upload new videos. Number 1. Chia seeds contain a good amount of protein. These are around 14% protein by weight, which is quite high in comparison to other plants. They have a healthy balance of essential amino acids, which is why your body should be capable of making use of their protein content. Protein has different health advantages, and it is by far the most weight loss friendly dietary nutrient. Chia seeds are a really excellent source of protein, especially for people who eat little to no animal products. Number 2. Chia seeds technically have barely any carbs. 1 ounce of chia seeds has 12 grams of carbohydrates. However, 11 of those grams are fiber that your body doesn't digest. Fiber doesn't increase blood sugar or allow insulin to be disposed of. While it belongs to the carbohydrate group, its health effects are significantly different from those of digestible carbohydrates such as starch and sugar. This digestible carbohydrate content is just 1 gram per ounce, which is very small. This is what makes chia a low-carb, friendly product. Because of its high soluble fiber content, chia seeds can absorb up to 10 to 12 times their weight in water, become gel-like, and then grow in your stomach. Number 3. Another factor where chia seeds excel is a high volume of antioxidants. Such antioxidants prevent the sensitive fats in the seed from becoming rancid. While antioxidant supplements are not very efficient, obtaining antioxidants from foods can have positive health benefits. Most significantly, antioxidants combat the development of free radicals that can destroy cell molecules and lead to aging and diseases such as cancer. Number 4. ALA has an anti-inflammatory benefit in chia seeds. Alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA, is a naturally occurring chemical that is formed in the body. This performs essential roles at the cellular level, such as energy production. As long as you are well, the body will generate all the ALA it needs for these activities. Chronic inflammation can cause illnesses of the body, such as autoimmune diseases, infectious diseases, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and some cancers. ALA is especially effective at reducing inflammation in people with metabolic syndrome. Number 5. Finally, consumption of chia seeds raises the levels of HDL and triglyceride at the same time as healthy cholesterol. However, at the same time, it decreases the overall cholesterol rates. Omega-3 fatty acids are healthy fats called HDL cholesterol that strengthens the heart and prevents heart disease. You can add chia seeds to your smoothies or juices. They can also be added to oatmeal or even put them on your salad. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy tips and much more.